YouTube channel. So today I'm in the mood for beef chilli fry. Now beef chilli fry is my idea of true going comfort food. It's the type of food that I enjoy when I get back home from a tiring day of work and I don't want to spend too much time in the kitchen, because I feel like when you spend too much time in the kitchen you don't enjoy the food as much. Everybody else does, but you don't. So this is my perfect food because it's maximum reward and minimal effort. You know, it's a type of food that, you know, you would enjoy on a lazy Sunday afternoon, on a lovely beach somewhere with a nice cold glass of beer. It's food heaven for me. So I'm going to take you through the ingredients now.
For this recipe, you will need 350 grams lean beef strips, 2 large onions thinly sliced, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, fresh coriander leaves, 1 large capsicum or bell pepper sliced, half a teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 large tomato or 4 cherry tomatoes, and 4 green chilies sliced vertically. So we will begin by marinating the beef well with salt, turmeric, some red chili powder, black pepper, ground cinnamon, ginger garlic paste, and red vinegar to tenderize the meat. Now mix well and add some fresh coriander. Now you could use leftover beef for this recipe or substitute with chicken, lamb or prawns. You will now need to marinate the beef for at least an hour. So the longer you keep it marinated, the more flavor the beef will absorb. Ideally, you would keep it marinated overnight. Now heat some oil in the pan. I like using coconut oil, especially when I'm frying at high heat. Now add the chopped onions and saute well until they turn translucent. Then add the chilies. Now this is a moderately hot recipe, so you can remove the chili seeds if you would like to reduce the heat further. Next, toss in the sliced capsicum and stir fry for a couple of minutes. Now at this point you can add the marinated beef and stir fry on high heat for about 6 to 7 minutes. Now it's completely worth buying good quality lean beef because this drastically reduces the cooking time. You have certain cuts of beef that can get very tough when frying. Now you can add the tomatoes later because they don't need as much time to cook as the beef. I've used minimal ingredients and vegetables that complement the beef. So to make it healthier, you can add more vegetables or even use less oil because the meat naturally releases its own juices and can be fried in its own fat. You can add more turmeric or red chili powder if required, but be careful because you don't want the spices to overwhelm the flavor of the beef. Add a little sugar and season with more salt if required. And then finally garnish with fresh coriander leaves. So keep tossing and stirring until the beef is tender and juicy but not overcooked because you don't want it to dry out. There we have it, the beef chili fry is ready. Doesn't that look absolutely delicious? Now I love my stir fries to be simple and easy, and this one definitely doesn't disappoint. The best thing about this beef chili fry is that you can whip it up in minutes. It's so quick and so easy to prepare. So it's just the perfect treat for when you're craving something spicy and flavoursome.
Chili fry. As you can see, it's a very simple recipe. You can have it with traditional Goan whole bread or rice. Do try out the recipe, let me know how it goes, and thank you very much for watching my video. Take care, bye.